everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to introduce one of the most useful features inside the MKT UID software, the group scanning by keyword function. Overall, this software helps you to scrape data from Facebook and help you discover highly targeted Facebook group automatically based on any keyword you enter. First, we open the group scanning feature. And here we will navigate it to the group scanning. This is where you can instantly search for thousands of Facebook groups using keyword automation. And then to step 2, you can simply type any of the keyword you want to scan. For example, since I'm in Vietnam and for my company, Tết holiday is coming soon, I can enter keyword like present for Tết and gift for the holiday. You can add as many keywords as you want. The software does not limit how many you can use. You can have full control and can completely customize your script. Now let's set up the automation script. I'm going to configure it so that each keyword will scan up to 30 groups. But remember, this is fully flexible. You can increase the number, lower it, or create your own scanning strategy. The tool allows unlimited customization based on your needs. After setting your script, select which Facebook account you want to use for scanning. And then we press start. The automation will take over it for you. Once everything is ready, the software begins working automatically and keep collecting high quality group data for you, all on autopilot without manual effort. You can watch the live process as it scans group after group. This feature is very powerful because it brings a lot of value, especially for sellers and business. It helps you find highly targeted groups in your niche, perfect for market research, audience building, or competitor analysis. Support massive data collection for advertising or engagement plans. And the best part is, all scanned group data can be exported directly to Excel. This makes it extremely easy to filter by keyword and check which group has the most potential. Also to share the file with your team and save your database for long-term use. With this feature, you are not just scanning group, but you're also creating a complete automated group flow. And you set up the script one, click start, and the system does all the scanning. No manual searching and no wasting time. Here is the end of today's video, and if you want to know more, please contact us in the comment section. And thank you for listening. Have a nice day.